All right, everyone, we're back. We're gonna do some stuff today on this mount. I'm trying to make a magnetic mount adapter so I can mount it like to the lathe and the mill and under the hood or wherever we need it. That's, you know, we can mount it magnetically. Just kind of like some shop shenanigans, I guess you want to call it. But I'm gonna bring you guys here on the lathe. We'll get right to it, and then a couple other things we're gonna mess around with, but I'll get you over to the lathe and we'll get going with it. Okay, here's what I'm talking about. You know, I kind of like to have the camera like over here somewhere so we can get right on a little bit better. If I had that base, we could get you guys in closer, so we're gonna make that today. First thing I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna get this bar turned down to where it fits on my adapter, and let's get going with it. Safety first. Get this thing faced off first, and then we'll get it down to diameter. I'll show you here in a minute the piece it's got to go into. Okay. Touch off here. Whoops. I'll have to change that bit maybe. It's not cutting that good. Yeah, we'll probably change it here in a minute. Let me get this cleaned off a little bit. Alright, let me change this thing real quick. I'll bring you guys right back in. Okay, let's give that a whirl. Do a quick pass on that. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Get a quick measurement of it. Okay, 1227. We need to be 985. All right. Probably should have put a, I got it sticking out too far. I'll take a little less off. Yeah, I probably should have had a center on that because I got it out kind of far. It's wanting to move on me just a little bit when I come in on it. But we'll get it. It doesn't have to be that critical. It's just a little, it's not, you know what I mean? It's just for that camera. Let me try to go smaller here. Yeah, that's better. It's going to take a little longer. Let me get it close and I'll bring you guys back. Okay, we're getting down to about being where we need to be at here. Put a real light pass on this thing. We can clean it up the rest of the way with the file. Should put us where we need to be at. Okay. Maybe a little piece of emery. I'm just trying to get some of these grooves out, some of these grooves out of it. Like I said, it's really not that critical. Let's see where we're at. Here's the piece that it goes in. Kind of like a, oh yeah, we're good. And now we'll just lock it. We can adjust it however we want. All right, let me flip it around, we'll get the back side. Oh, trying to take the, okay, I had to end up putting a live center on this thing to keep that thing sturdy. The only problem is the tool gets real close to the chuck here, so I gotta stop it and finish it with my I may end up changing this end just to be safe. Let's see what it looks like here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change this over, it looks like. That way I can get in here better. I think I can do it with it, but better safe than sorry. Let me change. It's better here. Now I'm not afraid to come up to the end here. Before it was like at such an angle, I was worried I was going to hit it. So let's try to take a little more off. Yeah, there we go. A lot better. This bit here could also use to be flipped around too. A little wore out, but that's okay. We'll file it down. I may even need to bring it down just a hair. Let me see where I'm at. Yeah, I think I can bring it down some. I got a tool to make that perfectly centered, but like I said, this is just not that critical. Take a clean pass on it. Oh yeah, much better. That just shows you there, if your tool's not centered, it won't cut right. You'll think the bit's off or the bit's dull, when really it was the tool wasn't centered, but I just eyeballed it there and it's better. So what I really need to do is set that tool to center. But for now, we'll be okay with this. I'll get a couple light passes in here. You can tell that bit's still seen better days, but it's doing okay. We're getting kind of close. Okay, we'll try to file this out a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the truck a little bit. That way I can blend it right into it there. Oh. Rough it up a little bit with this one, and we'll come back with that finer one. Cleans it up right up. Get a little bit of emery on her. I think that'll do it. Oh yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna take you guys over there where the base is. I'll show you what we're gonna do from there. Let me take you over there. All right, so what we're gonna do here is this will screw into the base like so. We'll go ahead and get one of our GoPro mounts. We'll figure out how to get it to that top part there, and then we'll have, of course that's a magnetic lock on and off. Let me go grab one of the pieces so we can try to figure out how we're going to do this. I'll be right back. Okay, I think all we're going to do here is pretty simple. I think I'm just going to take that back to the lathe, tap it so we can get a bolt through there. We'll tighten that up with some, maybe even put some Loctite on it or something. And all we got to do is take that out, put our camera in there, and done deal. We can adjust it where we want it at. And I still have adjustment in the camera too, up and down, so, well, anyway. So yeah, let's go back over there and tap that thing. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and tap this thing for a 1024 bolt, or nut. Just stick a washer in between there so when it gives it something to shut down to. We'll go ahead and get that drilled out. That was the best thing I did to this machine, was put that VFD on it, the variable speed. I really love that thing. Okay, we're almost about an inch in there. Right about right there. Okay. Calling for a 5/32 bit. Final drill size. Before we tap it. I'm gonna go in just a little further. That should be good there. All right, what I'm gonna try to do here is try to put the tap in here. Let me clean this end a little bit. Put a little paper on it there. I'm gonna try to just jog it on in there. Hopefully I don't break this tap. Let's see how that goes. I hope I don't. Ooh, there it goes. Well, good thing we got a little bit left there. Let me go grab something to pop that out with. All right, what I'm gonna try to do is just get it out with these vice grips. I knew better, I should have took it slow. I shouldn't have, oh, it's moving. Yeah, I wouldn't have got that lucky any other time. Yeah, I knew better, I shouldn't have. Usually if it's a bigger tap, I can jog it in with this lathe and it taps it real nice and quick. But on these smaller ones, they'll snap on you quickly. Okay, let me go find another tap and I'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and drilled this thing out for 1/4-20 instead. It's a little more beefier tap. I'm gonna try this again. I hope I don't make a fool of myself. Normally it works good. I don't tighten the chuck that much, so that way it'll spin inside of it if it does get, you know, caught. See, like it just did there. I'm going to stop there and go grab the tool and we'll finish it with that. That way we don't bust another one. Give me 1 second. Okay, let's see if we can do this without snapping it. Sure feels funny. Let me blow that out a little bit. Be getting close to the depth. Come on now. Well, yeah, I can't believe how I do not think I'm all the way in there yet. Maybe. Nah. But go ahead and see. It might be. So what we'll do is, oh no, yeah, I wonder what that's getting caught on. Yeah, look, it's stopping like right there. Let me try it some more and see what's going on here. I drilled it through there. Just take it slow. I can't believe how tight that is. Yeah, I think what we're going to do is, that's good. I'll just cut that bolt down. We don't need, I mean, that's a good ½ inch or more. Yeah, we got plenty. Maybe even more than that. Yeah, we got plenty. I'm gonna cut that down. Let's go back over to the vise over there and we'll get it all fixed up here. Okay, one thing we gotta do is drill this out a little bit. To the 1/4 20. Let me screw this in here and see how much we got to cut off this bolt. Yeah, we're almost there, but just not enough. Maybe we'll take off a 1/4 inch. That ought to do it enough with the smash. Maybe 3/16. Yeah, I think if I go, yeah. Okay. Let me put a little mark on here. Grab an air hose here. Try to get this in something where I ain't burning my finger. Okay. Get this cut off here. should be good. Yep. Okay. So, put that back through there. Yeah. I think once we get it tight there, let me tighten that up. Let me get an Allen wrench. I think we're good. I think we're real good. Yeah, once again, guys, thanks for watching. Just like I said, I want to start throwing some real, like, short, quick videos on things like this. Just some little quick things around the shop, you know. That way you guys ain't bored with an hour-long video. Some of you guys I know like watching other things, you know, and the other people just want to see whatever. But some quick ones in there for you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, add some comments. I'll tell you, I'm getting my subscriber thing jumped up to 13 there. It might not seem a lot to you guys, but seeing it go from 7 or 8 to 13 makes me know that somebody's watching it. So maybe one day I'll get there. I am going to go here soon to the car lot and get some, I might even hang that sign, so I don't know, we might do a video on that. I'll probably have to hang it, put the light in it, wire it, the whole 9 yards. I'm talking to him now about that. If not, we'll get it done, you know, get some shots of it up on the building just so you guys can see it finished and lit up. It does look pretty cool. We had it against where it was a solid background coming through it, and it looks really sharp. So I can't wait to see it with the lights and stuff on it. I am using some new editing software. I switched just about from the last video to this one, so I got some things there I'm trying to learn and figure out. Hopefully everything goes in well there. But like I said, appreciate it, guys. Hope to see you guys on the next one, and have a good one. Until then.